So we need to go in search of a 2K Barra. Let's take a look.
Someone who just wanted a mild street car, Osman's KNGFGX Ford is racing the Barra bar every time the car hits the track. Built by the team at Empire Mechanical and Racing, this Falcon has all the right gear, including a Nitto Performance 3.8 litre rotating assembly, backed by a host of Empire Elite top-end parts, including custom camshafts, with boost provided from a 106mm Garrett G57 turbo. A Haltech Nexus is fitted and tuned in-house. Without Ozzy behind the wheel, the car weighs in at around 1800 kilos, so on that math, this combo is currently good for around 1900 horsepower. Backing this is a Powerglide transmission by Powershift, a Hughes Performance bolt-together torque converter, and a GJ Drivelines carbon tailshaft. The factory IRS has been replaced with 4-link rear suspension, still using the factory tubs on 275 Pro radials. Keen to crank it beyond 60 psi boost? Don't be surprised to see this car run even quicker into the very near future.
Now, Jordan, I notice you got a new t-shirt on there. We have sold a ton of stickers of these, and a lot of people have asked us to put it on a shirt, so they're available in our shop in a bunch of different colours. For once, different colours. Get on them. And speaking of Barra fans, whip this up. Also, this is also available in a t-shirt, but you know, the old running 8s for 2K joke. Well, apparently to some it's not a joke, it's dead serious. Dead serious. That's one for the toolbox.